There are 274 million cars on the road today. Now, whether you drive, walk, or take the bus, we're all surrounded by these vehicles. Now, what do all these vehicles have in common? Is that they all use tires. Now, according to the Chicago Tribune, in January 23rd of 2020, a 22-year-old man was driving in which his tire blew out and he lost control and crashed, and his passenger later on passed away. Now, with more and more people driving on the road, it is important to maintain good tire health. Now, we all know it is important to properly check your car's fluids, but I have done the research on one of the most crucial parts, the only thing that is connecting your vehicle to the road, which is tires. Now, according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, tires age whether they are driven or not. I'm going to tell you about how to properly maintain good tire care. First, I will tell you what happens when you maintain unhealthy tire care. Second, I'm going to tell you what happens when tire malfunctions start occurring. And third, I am going to inform you on how to prevent these tire malfunctions. Now, every day there are several tire blowouts that can cause accidents. According to the Highway Traffic Safety Administration, in 2017, over 700 tire accidents occurred that were all tire blowout related. Now, when blowouts occur, it could be too soon for the driver. This could happen to any driver and everyday drivers constantly on the road. According to the law firm of the Newswire, in May 2nd of 2016, a family was driving in which their tire thread separated and 6 of them were tragically killed. Also, according to the New York Daily, in 2017, a man passed away due to overinflating his tire to the improper tire pressure. So now let's back up our information from what the occurrences, accidents that happen, and let's go to what actually happens on the tire. So low tire thread is a big cause of unstable handling during driving conditions. Having low thread is like trying to walk on ice. According to the Hartford in November 27th of 2017, it is important that they stated to maintain an 8 to 9 second distance when driving to keep your distance of crashing. When you have low tire thread, it decreases this distance, the stopping distance of not being able to stop during certain situations. And not being able to stop is bad in the way that when you have no thread at all, it's like driving on slick ice. Also, improper inflation can decrease the wear on your tire and also decrease the performance in which your tires are performing at. Low tire pressure can cause the sidewalls to hang and unwear unevenly, along with high tire pressure can cause it to overbubble and wear in a way which only the middle gets worn out. And also during certain weather conditions, like in snowy or in rocky conditions, high tire pressure could also have a higher increase of tire damage occurring. So I have gone over what happens, the causes of this tire. So now, how do we prevent this? Now, it is important to maintain a correct tire pressure. According to the J.D. Power of April 19, 2019, they recommend that to use a tire gauge constantly and every few often because they are inexpensive and very easy to use. In my picture, I am showing the location in which you can properly find how the correct PSI to inflate your tires at. Inside right here is your driver's side door panel, and in all cars there's a sticker right here in which it has a picture of a tire, and tells you the correct and proper PSI that the front and the rear tires should be at. Also, local tire shops air check and inspect tires for free. Second, you also want to check for tire cracking or anything out of place in the tire. Look at your tires. When you drive every day, they should be smooth and there should be no lumps or bumps in the tire, and they should be all well rounded like a tire should be. In conclusion, I have gone over in the beginning, I gone over the bad situation of what happens, just like the 22-year-old man with the improperly maintained tire, and situations like this can be prevented. It is important to constantly check and maintain good tire health to get a good grip on the road. Thank you.